Have you ever tried importing a video into PowerPoint, only to get the following message? PowerPoint cannot insert a video from the selected file. Verify that the necessary 64-bit codec is installed. Yeah, nothing kills presentation vibes faster than that. Today, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that actually work. Method 1. Install the K-Lite codec pack. When you see that error, it basically means your computer's missing the right tool to understand the video format. So what's the easiest fix? Just install something called the K-Lite codec pack. Think of it like giving your computer a universal translator. Now it can speak almost any video language you throw at it. Just head to codecguide.com. That's the official and safest place to download it. Once there, you'll see several versions available, but don't overthink it. The basic one is perfect for most people. Download it, run the installer with the default settings, and restart your computer when prompted. After your computer boots back up, try inserting that problematic video into PowerPoint again. Oh, and a quick pro tip, always download codecs from trusted sites like this one. You really don't want to find out what happens when you grab them from some sketchy mirror site. This method works great for PowerPoint 2016, 2019, and Office 365. Method 2, convert the video format. But maybe your video still doesn't load, or it's from an older project that uses some weird codec. Just convert your video to a format it actually likes. MP4 with H.264 is the gold standard. I like using a free online converter called Cloud Convert. Just drag your video in. Pick M4, hit Convert, and boom, done. Now drop that new file into PowerPoint and see if it works. Method 3, check for Office updates. If you're using an older version of PowerPoint, sometimes the app just needs an update to handle modern media. Go to File, then Account, and click Update Options. Update now. Let it run, restart PowerPoint, and test again. Sometimes the simplest fix is just updating the thing. Bonus tip, repair or re-encode damaged videos. Now, if none of that works, your video might actually be corrupted, especially if it's from an external drive or download. And here's where 4DDig Video Repair saves the day. Install 4DDig, open it. In the Video Repair tab, drag in your broken video file. 4DDig will automatically repair damaged frames, sync audio issues, and rebuild playable files. Once it's done, preview it and save. Then try adding it back to PowerPoint problem solved. It's kind of like giving your video CPR. And that's it. Whether it was missing codecs, a weird format, or a damaged file, you now know exactly how to fix the PowerPoint cannot insert a video error. If it helps, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I would be very grateful if you subscribed. And stay tuned for our next video.